Hello friends and potential friends. Well, there's my knobby pineapple again. Knobs are starting to get to be about 2 to 3 inches in length. And I noticed this morning that there's another one down there trying to form. I hope you can see it in there. So that's going to make 4. And I decided I'd better get these things off of here. So I'm going to cut a couple of them off, stick them in these 2 containers, put them in the lab and see what happens. And incidentally, one thing I've learned from experience, these things can bite. So I got the gloves out for this operation. And I'm just going to try my best to separate it from the stalk as best I can. I'm going to try peeling a few of these lower branches off, see if this doesn't work well with the gloves on, but I need to cut another one off too, so I'm not going to take the gloves off yet. Now normally I would stick these into a jar of water, let them grow roots, but I've seen on several videos people have remarked that it's not really necessary. You just stick them in the soil and they'll grow. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's the second one. Now I'm just gonna water these in real good. Got both of them in the pots. Take them in the lab and water them in and see what happens. And I'll keep you informed, and I'll see you next time.